Let's create this amazing flower pattern together with the help of circles as well as for loop. So let's get started. I am going to religiously follow the rule, which is to increase the font size. Now here I'm going to start and import the turtle library. Now here I can also use another way is this. I'm simply using turtle here, T as an li for the turtle. Now here when I use this, there will be no requirement of declaring a variable under the name T or fen. Now I can right away use this turtle library with alias T. Now t.screen.bg color, and the BG color will be black because black shines, right? Everything comes from black. So here we have it. Now let's add the color, which is going to be yellow. Now you can also go ahead and choose the color of your choice and even get the RGB color code. And I'm going to attach the speed also to 0. Now here comes the interesting part, which is to draw each and every circle so that we can have that beautiful pattern. For that, I'm going to create, although we do have t.circle function that can help you to draw a circle, let's say with the radius 50. So if I run it, you will see here we have it. Now once that is done, we know how that circle is being drawn, but we want multiple circles with of different radius. Now for that, all I'm going to do is I'm going to use a for loop and a variable I, and here I'm going to set the range. So it depends on you how many number of circles do you want. So I want 50 circles over here, right? Now if you saw, they all were of different radius. So how can we do that? How can we make code in such a way that every single time the loop is repeating, the radius of the circle is decreasing, right? Now for that, all I have to do is set the starting value or the starting radius. Let's keep it 70 for a while. And then I'm going to subtract the value of I over here. Now once the circle is being drawn, I will also make sure that we are turning it left by 60 degrees every single time a circle is being drawn. Now let me tell you a little bit logic. Now here, if we run the loop for the first time when the loop runs, the value of I is initially 0, right? Because by initial it starts with 0. Now once that is done, of course the range for the for loop to run is within this, right? 0 is in the range of the value I. So here it is, the program will be able to execute the code inside the for loop. Now here the line number 6 says circle 70 minus I, which means 70 minus this value of 0, which is going to be 70. And once we get the radius, we are going to draw the circle. Now when the loop runs for the second time, the value of I will increase to 1 now, right? And again, it is within the range from 0 to 50. So here now, when the line number 6 gets executed, the value of I will be applied, which is 70 minus 1, and then we will be having 69 as the radius of the second circle. So it will continuously happen till the value of I is equals to 50. And once it reaches 50, the loop will stop and we will get all the circles. Now you can also test that if you want, just in case, what exactly is the value of I at that particular point. You can also use print over here. Now for the print, you can simply write value of I. Now once that happens, let me run it and you'll see that I'm continuously getting the values over here. So here now we have two screens. One is basically your turtle screen, another is your Python screen, which is absolutely going to show you the value of print statement. Now here you can see it is printing 49, which means we do have 50 circles, but the calculation is still 50 because by default the index number is starting from 0. Now if you want to have that 50th circle also, you can increase it to 51. Basically you are trying to include the last value or the last range also here. And here we go, we have a beautiful pattern over here. And yeah, this is how you make it, and make sure you are renaming it flower pattern with circles. And here we go, let's save it. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe to the channel and hit a like. See you in the next one.